You know, coming from the Liam Lee fans, you see why you get spoiled. Look at this stuff. Oh boy, almost there. Look at this. I'm glad I gave you a splitter. Okay, Nzxt, do your thing. Well, looks like I'm gonna need to connect another SATA cable. Okay, got it in there. There you are. Guys, back from work. Continuation of cable management. Wow, there's actually a plus that has a magnet. Look at that. Nzxt doing this thing again. Oh, this is too funny. Now I'm using more zip ties. Okay, we're almost there. I'm going to remove this exhaust fan just a tad bit down. Wire management going pretty well. What you guys think? I mean, come on. You can't get better than this. Okay, we're getting there. Okay. Doable. Perfect. All I do have left is a weird fan connector. How we looking now? Oh, this is actually fun, guys. Oh, you look good. All right, stay tuned for next series, guys.